I am Dr. Anuj Kumar, Professor, Faculty of Management Science, Shri Ram Murthy Smarak College of Engineering and Technology, Bareilly. At Faculty of Management Science, we are running MBA and MCA programs. Both are postgraduate programs, wherein we are not only imparting them theoretical knowledge, but we are equipping them with practical exposure. Practical exposure in terms of analytical skills, in terms of programming and coding skills. In MBA program, our students are learning through live projects. They are going to industries, they are going to market survey projects, and they are learning a lot. Moreover, they are learning analytical tools like Power BI, like Tableau, and R programming, and are implementing them into their practical knowledge, so that they can be ready for business community and can take informed decisions, intelligent decisions. As far as MCA programs are concerned, the students are being trained in recent technologies like AI, like machine learning, React.js, Node.js, Python and whatnot. Our alumni are our ambassadors to the real world. They are spreading our quality parameters throughout the globe. And all the big names in industry are being occupied by our alumni. They are at responsible and leading positions in various big IT giants.